My name is Lindsey. I first started going to the Advanced Healing Wound Clinic when I had an open wound that opened up on my lower back about a year ago in April. I had to have a surgery to have an abscess removed, which left a very large open wound that needed to be packed daily, needed a lot of care. So I was referred to the Advanced Healing Wound Clinic by Dr. Chandra's office, and I was visiting them 2 to 3 times a week from April until July. And then back in November, the wound kind of came up again. So I visited the Advanced Healing Wound Clinic from November to late December, and then in January I had a surgery to have the problem removed. My first experience with the Advanced Healing Wound Clinic really helped calm a lot of my anxiety. Leading up to my visits down there, I had kind of gone through a traumatic time dealing with excruciating pain from this abscess that created the wound. And they really were able to calm me down. They were able to talk me through what was happening, what was going to happen, and made sure that I knew that nothing that happened was my fault, because through so much of it, I was wondering, what could I have done differently? What should I have done differently? What should I have known about that could have prevented this? And they walked me through it all and made sure that they were holding my hand and telling me funny stories, distracting me through the not so fun parts of having wound care. I am finally back to work at the Ronald McDonald House. I'm able to complete my daily duties, working with the families, being able to play with kids again when needed, and just enjoying life there. I am also back to working with my foster dogs and volunteering with the dog rescues that I love so much. So that has kind of kept me busy since I've been able to return to normal life following my time at the wound clinic. So I think I have met the majority of the caregivers at the wound clinic. Dr. Moncrief has been my primary caregiver as far as physicians go for this new wound that I had following surgery in January. Kim has always been the RN that has packed my wound for me. She has been wonderful in teaching me, teaching my mom, teaching my husband how to properly care for the wound. I would recommend them to others because they are the most loving group of people I could ever hope to meet when going through something so challenging. They really care for their patients. They take time to get to know their patients. They know what's happening in my life outside of just this wound. They know that I love to foster dogs. They know that I love my job at the Ronald McDonald House. They know that my husband and I just got married, and so they congratulate us and talk to us and tease us and distract us from the not so fun aspects of having to receive wound care. So I would recommend them to anybody that is in need of care for a wound. They're just absolutely phenomenal people, and they do their jobs very well. The care that we have received there has just been excellent.